Hi, Callum here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry basil and black pepper Collins from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This sexy summer sipper is sure to get the party started. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this.
We got some really big flavours playing together in this one, so we're going to give it a good shake. Gin is our spirit of choice for these big taste combinations, but try this one out with your personal favourite spirit. Lime is perfect for our sourness, as it has slightly more acidity to balance the rich flavours in our homemade syrup. The strawberry and black pepper syrup is so decadent, it's fruity, it's spicy, and it's bright, with the gorgeous red colour of the strawberry shining through whatever the drink is added to. 3 basil leaves is more than enough to add that lovely savoury herbal note to complement the strawberry and black pepper syrup. Now we're going to give it a good shake to incorporate all the delicious flavours in the shaker. Grab your highball, pop your tonic and pour it over cubed ice. Slap a basil leaf and garnish for that burst of green aromas, and there you have it. The strawberry, basil and black pepper Collins. Enjoy.